blueberry zebra cake, topped off with strawberries and raspberries, spinach just because we like our greens. Pretty neato. Take it off so you can really see what it looks like. Oh boy. The best part's going to be cutting into it in a second. This is so cool. This feels like, okay, so again, can't really show very much because if I start moving it, the cream will start to go along the side. So this thing is supposed to slide right off. Beautiful. And that's the acetate strip on here. Oh look, my little knife stand matches my cake stand. There's the acetate strip. And I saw that it was cracking a little bit after having been in the freezer for several days. And of course I'm going to wash this and reuse it, but there you go, not too bad. Didn't lose too much. Let's see how clean the cake looks. This cool guy. I wanted reusable ones. It's kind of, I don't know, hollow. I was hoping it would be a little bit more sturdy. I think it's just like, you know, a little foil thing on top. Nothing stuck to the parchment because, you know, it's just the crust. Oh, I got this other new cool thing for pictures and videos where like I'll put the cake stand on it and then it'll spin slowly so I can get all the different views. All right, here we go. So this is a 6-inch little guy. The thing that it's sitting on, the cake board. Okay, so you can see the crust. It kind of seeped into the crust, the cream, right? But the cool part is going to be when we cut into it. But there you go. Up close, up close. And I was just realizing if I cut this on here, it might leave cut marks, but that's where it has to live. So I guess that's pretty much that, y'all. Okie dokie, artichoke. I cannot get this. I put it in the freezer because it was too soft, and then of course it's too hard. So let's see what we got. Oh, it's pretty good now. So this is more for just sticking some of the fruit on there, but I realized I didn't fully decide how I want it. So I guess I'll just start with some raspberries in the center because I have the least amount of that. So that's the tip. Don't ask me what number it is because your girl clueless on this stuff. And pretty. Ooh, so pretty. Trying to find the right piece is not always the easiest thing to do. Okay. So I guess we can just go one more with the smaller pieces and finish it up. Right there. Right there. Right there. Make sure you guys are kind of seeing this as close as possible. What do you guys think? All right, so we've cut the cake We've taken the pictures, we've taken the videos, now we eat the cake. We eat the flippin' cake, y'all. Ooh, look at that big ass piece. Mmm. Mmm. I don't think the spinach will go very well with it, but it's like a light ice cream cake. Very light. The crust is chewy from the prunes and the tart cherries. Mm-hmm. Voila. Blueberry, zebra cake, all those fun layers, fresh berries. Num num num. Ciao.